I was just checking the placard. I'm seeing whose name it was in and if you were the owner of the placard.
My grandmother, she went in the store.
She went in the store?
Yes, ma'am. I had dropped off. She went in the store, but I can move. I can move.
How'd you drop her off?
I just moved.
Yep. Okay. I need you to see your ID, please. I need your ID, please.
What did I do?
Because you're parking in a handicap and you're not allowed to park here.
Yes, ma'am, but I just said I was going to move. My grandmother, she's handicapped. She's in the store.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off at the other end.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off
Did
at the
she
other
come out of this vehicle?
I just
Can I get your ID, please?
I haven't done nothing, ma'am.
No, you're parking into a handicap a vehicle or a parking spot using someone else's.
My grandmother is handicapped. I dropped her off in the store.
How did she get up here with all this stuff in here?
I just moved.
Okay, can I need your ID, please?
I haven't done anything.
You're violating handicap parking violation. Can I see your ID, please?
I haven't done anything.
You have, and I'm requesting your ID, and if I don't get it, I will arrest you. It's just simple. And then your children are not properly in their buckled in their seat.
You to unbuckle them. You just sit up here finding a reason to fuck with me.
She doesn't unbuckle them.
I unbuckled them. I was getting ready to get out the damn car.
And you just now parked. I came up right behind you as soon as you parked. You did not turn around and unbuckle them.
Yes, I did. You wasn't in here.
First, you're lying to me. You're refusing to identify yourself. The children aren't
I want a supervisor or something because you feeling real hostile and shit. I need you to get a supervisor because you sitting up here fucking with me for no motherfucking reason.
There's no need.
I need a supervisor because you mess with me for no reason and I told you I will move. I told you I would move.
No, it's just not that.
Yeah, you mess with me for no reason. I got my kids in here. I do not feel safe with you doing these.
And you're escalating this. You're doing this.
Come on, man. Come on. Do what you got to do.
Step out here, please. Step out of here.
You can get somebody else here.
Get out of the vehicle now before I make you get out of here. Do you want to do this in front of your children or not?
You said you answered my ID. I just gave you an ID, bro.
Aisle 4, Walmart aisle 4. Get out of the vehicle now or I will make you get out.
Oh my God! Why are you grabbing me? Why are you grabbing me?
I have one resistance.
Why are you grabbing me, bro? Where are you going?
Get out of the fucking vehicle now.
Get out.
Get out now.
Hands on me. And if you
get to the back of the vehicle now.
Girl, she just grabbed me.
Get to the back of the vehicle.
She just grabbed me.
Because you're refusing to obey and walk with me. You're Negatives resistance. Groceries on. Get up.
They trying to help me.
Give me the other hand. Ma'am, she's refusing to. I didn't escalate this, ma'am. She did. I did not. Give me the other hand. Give me your arm.
Can I get
That
another
sergeant
officer?
is on the way.
Can I get another officer?
I have 2 officers on the way. Give me your arm.
Oh, she twisted my arm. Y'all help me, please. She please me. Please help me.
I said officers are on the way.
Please help me. I don't feel safe with her.
Okay,
She grabbed me out my car. She grabbed me out my car. She grabbed me out my car. She got my kid. She grabbed me out my car.
Come on, get up.
My kids is in my car.
Come on, get up. What in custody? Roll over. Roll over.
On Mother's Day. What a mother.
Thank you.
What a mother. What Mother's Day. $13 an hour. McDonald's more.
Okay.
Why she in handcuffs?
Roll over. Can you roll over?
I was just trying to get my kids.
My sergeant's here now, ma'am. You can talk to him. Roll
Roll up on your side. And help you sit up, okay? Can you sit up? You can help her, bro. She wants you to sit up for me, please. Come on, breathe. Breathe, 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 breathe. Are you okay? Okay, are you all right? Breathe. Breathe, breathe. Can you get to you? Listen to me. I want to help you stand
I
up,
told her I
okay?
was gonna move. I told her I was sorry and I said I was gonna move.
Okay.
My grandmama was
Okay, okay. You all
she
right?
stepped on me.
Okay, can I help you stand up?
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, can I help you stand
I
up?
gave her
Okay.
my ID and she still pulled me out the car.
Okay, all right. We're gonna get that straightened out, but I need to help you stand up. What I want you to do.
I can't stand up.
Listen,
I don't. Please get her away from me. Please get her away from me.
Listen, I'm gonna help you stand up, okay? What I want you to do is put this foot behind your knee and get on this knee so I can help you stand up, okay? There you go. There you go. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. And there you go. Okay, okay, breathe. 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 You alright? Alright, what's your name, ma'am?
It's on the ID.
Okay, well, I'm Sergeant Dover, okay? Can I get you to do me a favor and come over here and let you have a seat in my car? Keep breathing. I'm gonna get Pastor to come check you out, make sure you're okay, alright? Alright? Come on. Come on over here to my car, okay? He's good. Come on over here. Is that your daughter in your car?
My daughter and my son in the car.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to. I was just trying
I
to
understand.
get them on some.
Turn sideways and sit. Okay.
She grabbed me for no reason. I told her I was getting the ID and she still grabbed me out the car.
So I wasn't here. Can you tell me your name, man?
My name is Shari Varner. She wouldn't even give me time to explain myself.
Sorry. I'm Sergeant Dover, okay? Explain to me what happened from the get-go. I see you're parked here in a handicap.
My
She
grandma.
talked to you about so what happened?
My son is handicapped and my grandma is. But we was in there. My grandma was in the store, but my auntie was driving her car for her, and I was trying to I was trying to just back in and wait for that spot to get open so I could pull over there because my grandma wasn't in the car. And then she came up to my door and she tapped on the door. And then I let the window down and I was just trying to see who she was. And she said, she was up there finding reasons to mess with me. And then she asked for my ID. And I said, I haven't done nothing. I said, with me just being here, just sitting here, we weren't even out the car, we were just sitting here. Okay. I was trying to get my children to calm down. Okay. My son was hollering, and I was trying to wait for an open parking spot. Okay. And I told her, I said, I'll move. It's not this serious.
Okay.
I said, I'm sorry, I'll move.
Okay.
And then she said, give me your ID. And I told her, I said, I haven't done nothing. And she kept on egging at me. And then when I gave her the ID, she told me get out the car, but I haven't done nothing.
Okay.
And I asked for a sergeant multiple times, and she didn't. She waited until she threw me out the ground. She grabbed me out of my car. I wasn't doing, my hands were on the steering wheel. I didn't reach for nothing. I didn't even have nothing in my car.
Okay.
My grandmother right there. That's what I kept telling
That's
her.
what I'm asking.
My grandmama is right there with the pink hat on.
Pink hat?
Her name is on the sticker. She's right there. I haven't done shit wrong.
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to her.
My
and talk to
grandmama
her,
is right there.
All right.
And she kept finding a reason to fuck with me, and she pulled me out my car in front of my children.
What I want you to do, go ahead and sit on in the car. I'm gonna go talk to her and see what's going on, okay?
My grandma, I told her multiple times, my grandmama is right there. My grandma right here. Why would I lie about my grandmama not being
How are you?
better?
How are you? I'm sorry.
Lord have mercy.
Hey.
Lord have